Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Leche pudding. Start by preparing the essential caramel base for your Leche pudding. Combine about 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it transforms into a beautiful golden amber color. Once ready, carefully pour the hot caramel into your chosen mold, ensuring the bottom is evenly coated. This sweet, slightly bitter layer is crucial for the pudding's flavor and presentation. Next, let's create the rich and creamy pudding mixture. In a large bowl, whisk together about 6 egg yolks and 2 whole eggs with 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Slowly incorporate 1 can of evaporated milk and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing until just combined. For an incredibly smooth and lump-free pudding, strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into your caramel-lined mold. This step guarantees a luxurious texture. Now it's time to bake our delicious Leche pudding. First, cover your pudding mold tightly with aluminum foil to prevent any water from entering during baking. Place this covered mold into a larger baking pan. Carefully fill the larger pan with hot water, creating a water bath that reaches about halfway up the sides of the pudding mold. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 1 hour, or until set. Once baked, remove the pudding from the oven and let it cool completely at room temperature. This gradual cooling helps prevent cracks. Then, transfer the chilled pudding to the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow it to fully set and firm up. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edges of the mold, then invert it onto a serving plate. The beautiful caramel will cascade over the silky pudding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.